Yo, I look busted today. I'm feeling busted today too, to be honest. I'm hella tired. Today I'm not really in the mood to be doing a whole lot of makeup, but I still do gotta leave the house, so I don't want to look like a complete bum. I'm gonna look like a put together bum. So I'm gonna do like a no makeup look, and it's just gonna make my skin look super clear the way it should be looking right now, but my skin's been on some other shit, to be honest. So, but also I'm gonna conceal my eyebrows because I just have like a particular case of, I just got two different eyebrows going on right now. Probably majority of you guys don't have to be doing all that. For the concealer, I'm gonna be using this Kosas, doesn't really have a name, but it's the Kosas concealer. It's my favorite. It looks super lightweight and it has skincare literally in the makeup, so it's like super bomb. So I won't be filling in my eyebrows today because this is a no makeup look. I'm gonna just be still creating like a little bit of definition because I do have to conceal my eyebrows, so looking at it up close is like actually the scariest part. I don't think it's like that much lighter than my skin, but. And then I'm gonna just go in with my Morphe brush. It's the M421 brush. I'm not in the mood at all to be doing makeup right now. That's why I'm literally like still in bed. I used to have such thick eyebrows. For all my like OG followers, you guys know. I'm gonna just take this beauty blender sponge type of thing and just blend it out. So like I said, you could skip this step if you don't have two eyebrows. Like you can probably just put like a clear brow gel. Okay, so now I'm gonna just spot conceal like the rest of my face. So wherever I have like blemishes, I already know I have a few on the side. But definitely my chin right here. It's been really weird. Usually my pimples go away hella quick. Like they're not even really like bumps anymore. They're just, it's just like now like a red spot, and that's never happened to me before, but. So I think instead of doing like an actual contour, I'm gonna just do like a little bit of, bring some color back into my face because I feel like I got naturally like a little bit of like pink cheeks. For blush, I'm gonna be using this glowplay blush from MAC in Totally Synced. It's like a super cool toned pink. It's kind of like dirty right now, but I feel like I don't know, I like it. But it's super glowy and it looks like your skin, so that's kind of why I like it. I should probably get like more colors in this. I'm gonna put it on my nose, my cheeks, just like where I naturally have a little bit of like pinkness. I feel like that's good. I feel like the key to no makeup is like doing the least, to be honest. And I feel like that's hard for me to do because I'm like, I just want to add a little bit of bronzer, like, but no, we're actually gonna be natural today. I'm gonna set under my eyes and like, well, I'm gonna set everywhere where I put concealer with this Mercier translucent powder. It's like the ultra blur setting powder. This one's the one with no talc, I'm pretty sure, so it's like healthy. So yeah, I'm just like pressing that on, and then I'm gonna actually just add powder basically everywhere where I guess like a little oily. Oh, and I did already prep my skin. I did my skincare and then I put sunscreen on, so make sure you do that before because I feel like that's also what's gonna help make this like no makeup look very like good. But yeah, so I'm gonna just set everything into place. It's killing me not to put some bronzer on right now though, I'm not gonna lie. Usually what I like to do if I don't put mascara on, I will still curl my lashes and I'll put like some chapstick or like some like Vaseline or like something like that to help them stick and hold, you know, in the curl, because otherwise I'm curling them for nothing basically. I don't know, I might put like the lightest coat of mascara still just to darken everything, especially because I accidentally brought down the concealer like towards my eyelids. I feel like that makes like the biggest difference, so that's why I'm saying like you honestly don't even really need mascara, but I'm gonna put some mascara on. I'm using the I Love Extreme Volume Mascara from Essence, but I'm gonna focus it mainly on the root just so that the lash line's dark, but I'm not gonna put it and make my eyelashes like longer than they actually are. So I feel like for no makeup looks, like people always will like do this part and they always use the mascara, but they do like a full coat. And I'm like, girl, who are you fooling? Like, we know you have some mascara on. Like, maybe you could fool a man. Maybe you could fool a man. And I'm not gonna do the bottom, which is also gonna kill me because, okay, maybe I will. And I mean like lightly brush it on. Just so you can see them again, but not actually really adding like a coat onto your lashes, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can actually see what I just did. But before I do that, I'm gonna take some eyeliner and add them to like the blemishes because I feel like that'll kind of like disguise them a little bit. And I'm gonna be taking this NYX, I want to say it said Epic Wear eyeliner, but it's so old, like there's no like writing on it anymore. And I'm also putting it over like the moles that I already had. Some of them are fake and some of them are real. Then I guess the last thing is just some lip gloss, but basically this is the final look. I feel like this is literally as no makeup as you could possibly get. My camera's literally about to die, so I'm stressed out right now. I would bring you on for, actually, let me see if I can still put my lip gloss. Okay, so, hold on. This is what it looks like. I just put some lip gloss on. I used Lip Glow Oil Color Reviver Cherry Oil from Dior. It's in the color 001 Pink. A lot of you guys asked me about this. I just re-upped on it because I was literally out. But you know how over time, like your lip gloss will kind of like turn into a different color? It's hard to like tell what color it is. I think this is like closer to what it was supposed to look like, so I love it. Makes my lips look super like pink, but it honestly, when you pull it out, it looks like clear gloss, but once it like hits your skin, it actually starts doing its thing. So yeah, but I just put my hair in a bun because on my no makeup days I like to just do a little like slick back moment, and I like to put like a hair mask in. So I have the hair mask in and I'm just gonna let my hair get healthy again. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna probably just put some like jewelry on and then like some sweats and run my errands, go back into the city. I'm back in San Diego, so well, I'm like in Escondido, but you know, San Diego's the city for real. So that's where I'm going today. This is the look. I hope this like helped you guys out. If you do this, be sure to tag me. I love to see it. I hope you guys have a good day.